One more turn.
This is what we expected to see. Goes once. So the world champion, the reigning world champion, leaves the star high. Loic Bruni already. His 2019 has gone a lot better than 2018 did, where he crashed in Loshin on his first practice run, dislocating his elbow. Tiptoeing around that first turn, right on the edge of the tyres. This is a man who knows how to win races.
Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
The winner of 3 of the last 4 World Championships, the one-day event that we have for those Worlds. One run, and Bruni mastering it better than the current era of riders.
It's fast. It's fast.
Oh, he's up. So the first rider we've seen ahead of Danny Hart. 0.1 up then for Loic Bruni as he comes into the rock section. Hart was incredibly quick through here though. On exactly the same line.
Same line, but not same speed. I think he went quite a lot slower through that rock garden. I might be wrong.
It did look that way. We saw. So no, Bruni is fastest through that rock section by 2/100ths of a second.
Okay.
And the way that we saw Danny, hit that flat and bounce out of there, I would agree with you.
Yeah, well, it was not as spectacular, but it was the same speed.
That's right. Doesn't always spectacular. Isn't always the fastest.
Oh wow, that new bike must be working. 29 in the front, 27.5, just like Danny Hart. But look, Bruni is pulling away.
Over nearly half a second up now then for Loic Bruni. The world champ is starting to open things up here. The gap on the virtual straight staying around the same.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Loic Bruni's dad I've seen here watching this week as well. A world champion himself in the Masters category. Oh, perfect across this camera. This is going to be good, you know.
Whoa, you can't ride this any better. Look!
Nearly a second into the green now for Loic Bruni then. The rainbow stripes are charging here in Slovenia around 1. The only thing missing from this man's portfolio is an overall World Cup title. Struck back with that win in Mont-Saint-Anne last year in the World Cup there, while the other French riders were having all the fun.
Okay, not far to go. A couple more seconds.
It looks like the perfect run from Loic Bruni. Is he going to take down Danny Hart? 2:59 is the time to beat. Bruni sprints towards the line. He goes fastest. Look at the time. 2:58.8. And Loic Bruni leads in Maribor. A big day for this one. Third in qualifying through the corners and the steep sections. But Rachel Atherton, the world champion, already reaching for a tear-off. Knows that she needs more in this finals run today if she's going to take the win. Can Atherton do it? A different back end shift here in the week. Make that bike less progressive, a little softer setup than she ran in Maribor, Slovenia.
Again, that's not a problem though. She's reaching to her goggle quite a lot.
Yeah, you're right.
Already up there. And she was sitting down on those bridges. Now that could be because she's saving energy for further down, or it could also be because she didn't see much. I hope first one is the case and not second.
Well, she is the fastest through the pinball section. So Atherton, that will gives us some idea of her pace. Into the rock section she comes now.
Very safe there, very safe, not taking any risks. Now, let's hope that goes well through here.
3 wins here, the last in 2016. It was actually nearly 7 seconds up for Atherton. This is more like what we expected to see. Of course, dislocated her shoulder in this wood section a couple of years ago.
An extremely clean run, like no sliding sideways, fully controlled.
Maybe that's what she needs to do today. Say, visibility a real problem for these riders. 6 times runner-up here, only 4 off the all-time record of Anne-Caroline Chausson. And Chausson, of course, winning here, 2004 for Anne-Caroline.
And now this is where she can get on the pedal. She lost a bit of time there, about a second.
Keren. Dapat semua. Foto.